Namaskar. Welcome to India Meteorological Department IMD's daily weather briefing 4th August 2021. In this briefing, we will discuss what is observed during past 24 hours and what is expected during next 24 hours over different parts of the country. So next slide is for this monsoon activity realized during past 24 hours. So in this slide, we are having two Indian maps. Right, left hand side map is having a subdivisional wise distribution of 24 hours accumulated rainfall starting from 8:30 hours IST of 3rd August to 8:30 hours IST of 4th August. And right hand side map is depicting the monsoon activity in terms of weak, normal, and active. So from left hand side map, we can see that from this light blue color and blue color that fairly widespread to widespread rainfall realized over East Rajasthan, West MP, Punjab, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Sikkim, Konkan and Goa, and Karnataka, Kerala and Mahe, Lakshadweep, Andaman Nicobar Islands. And as regards monsoon activity, it remained active over East Rajasthan, Punjab and Bihar, shown by this light blue color, and green color shows it remained normal over West Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Sikkim, Assam and Meghalaya, West Madhya Pradesh, Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, South Central Karnataka, Kerala and Mahe, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. And over remaining parts of the country, monsoon remains weak. As far as the realized rainfall is concerned, extremely heavy rainfall, that is more than 20 centimeter over East Rajasthan, mainly over three districts, that is Kota, Mondi, Varan districts, and very heavy rainfall realized over Madhya Pradesh and coastal Karnataka mainly, and also over Gangetic West Bengal and Jharkhand areas. As far as quantitatively values are concerned, in Bundi district, on 3rd August, it reported Patan 25 centimeter, Ladpura in Kota district 23 centimeter, Sahabad in Baran district 21 centimeter, Bundi itself in 20 centimeter, Kishanganj in Baran district 19 centimeter, Bijolia in Bhirbala district 18 centimeter, Ramori in Guna district it reported 17 centimeter, Pori in Sipuri district of West MP it is reported again 17 centimeter each. So this here we are representing values with 10 centimeter and above. So this is about the synoptic systems on 4th August. We are having low pressure area. Actually, this was well-marked low pressure area on 3rd August. Now it has weakened and lies as a low pressure area over the same area, that is northwest MP and neighborhood. And we are having a cyclonic circulation over North Bay of Bengal. And seasonal monsoon trap is in its normal position starting from Ganganagar, center of low pressure area, then passing through Varanasi, Patna and Shantiniketan of West Bengal, and then going to northeast Bay of Bengal. And under influence of this low pressure area, monsoon trough and cyclonic circulation, we are expecting mainly weather over different parts of the country, specifically over East Rajasthan, West MP, Gangetic West Bengal and adjoining areas. So this is the satellite image where we can see that cloud is persisting mainly over East Rajasthan and neighborhood, and East India, that is Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal and Sikkim, and also over Odisha area, and over Northeast India, that is Assam and Meghalaya mainly. So this is a Indian map showing weather warnings for next 24 hours issued on 4th August 2021. So from orange color we can see that this is the possibility of heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places over East Rajasthan and West MP, and also over Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal, and over different parts of the country shown in yellow color, showing the possibility of this isolated heavy rainfall, mainly over Jammu division, Uttarakhand, Bihar, and this over Odisha, Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, coastal and south Central Karnataka, and Kerala and Mahe. As regard thunderstorm, it leading to possibility mainly over this East India and adjoining Northeast India. And as regards fisherman warning is issued for next 2 days for Maharashtra and Gujarat coast. There, fishermen are advised not to venture into these areas. So this map is showing weather warnings issued by IMD for next 5 days. From this, we can see that the episode of heavy to very heavy rainfall over East Rajasthan and adjoining West MP is expecting during next 2 days, that is on 4th and 5th August, and then further reduction, and only isolated heavy at isolated expecting over East Rajasthan and West MP during next subsequent 2 days, that is on 6th and 7th, and the spell of very heavy over Gangetic West Bengal and Jharkhand is possibility only on during next 24 hours, but after there is a possibility of reduction. However, isolated heavy rainfall is likely over this area, that is Gangetic West Bengal, Jharkhand, and Odisha areas. And as regards northeast India, the enhanced rainfall activity is likely over northeast India from 7th August onward. Heavy to very heavy rainfall at one or two places is expected over Assam and Meghalaya during 7th and 8th August, and heavy rainfall at isolated places over Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura during the same period. And heavy rainfall at one or two places also likely along the west coast, that is Konkan and Goa, Madhya Maharashtra, coastal and south into Karnataka, and Kerala and Mahe. And only isolated heavy is expecting over Kerala and Mahe and Tamil Nadu on 7th and 8th August onwards. So impact expected as regards impact, Madhya Pradesh and East Rajasthan is still expecting heavy to very heavy rainfall at one or two places on 4th and 5th August. So impact is expected over these areas and also over Jharkhand and West Bengal on 4th August only. So due to this, we can have impact in terms of localized flooding of roads, waterlogging in low-lying areas, especially in urban areas, occasional reduction in visibility due to heavy rainfall, disruption of traffic in major cities, and due to waterlogging in roads leading to increased travel time, minor damage to kacha roads and vulnerable structures, localized these mudslides, damage to horticulture and standing crops, and it may lead to riverine flooding in some river catchments. And for riverine flooding, please visit web page of Central Water Commission and check. As far as action is concerned, suggested check for traffic congestion on your route before leaving for your destination. Follow any traffic advisory that are issued in this regard. Avoid going to areas that face the waterlogging problems often, and avoid staying in vulnerable structures. It is recommended kindly download our different apps, that is Mosam app, Damini app, Meghdoot app. All three are available on Android and iOS platforms, and we are regularly updating our updated forecast and weather warnings on our national website, that is mosam.imd.gov.in. And also we are posting significant weather features and weather warnings on our Facebook and Twitter pages. And we are posting our daily weather video in Hindi and English both on our Twitter, on our YouTube channel. Kindly subscribe and comment on it. Thank you.